Well, hey guys, if you're looking for an easy to put together raised garden bed, this is one I highly recommend you check out. It was pretty easy. It only took me about 30 minutes to put this entire thing together, which is really cool. Just a bunch of screws, a couple bolts and stuff like that, so those are nice. I do like it because it's made out of cedar, so it smells really good. And I know it's also going to last a pretty good while with that as well, because you're going to have all different types of stuff in here. You're going to have water, you're also going to have mulch, and then also you're going to have dirt and all kind of other stuff. So it's going to be good. I really like this. Again, I like the size of it. It's really long. You're able to put different stuff in here, so you could cut it up if you want to put flowers in one part, food and just other kind of vegetables and stuff like that in another part, or if you just want to use the entire thing for one thing, you could do that as well. But I really like, again, how just large it is. You know, again, you got plenty of space for all that type of stuff. It even has a little ledge. I like that because it kind of gives it a little bit of stability and rigidity. It's also not super heavy. You can see right here, I mean, I can pick it up myself, so I can pick it up, move it wherever I want to, or you can even move it as your sun changes. Like, because in our yard back here in the back, we don't get a ton of great sun in certain places. So what we can do is have this in a little place for a while, and then like later in the summer or kind of thing like that, we can move this. And so you can move it around so it doesn't stay in the shade or doesn't stay in the sun. So whichever one you want to do. I like having that kind of option. The feet are pretty good. They kind of got heavy duty feet down there. It's nice. They also have some stabilizers on the middle, which is really easy and good, again, for strength. But it's really cool. It even comes with a little black felt piece, so you can put that in the bottom, kind of give it a little bit more strength as well, and also that it's not going to rot and stuff like that as fast. But I think this is a great one. Like I said, it's super easy to put together, great instructions, and yeah, pretty much anyone can put this together. And light enough, you can move it anywhere, and I think it's going to be a good one. I also like the height, so that way it's not super high, so you're like reaching over. This way, plenty of height, pretty much for anyone can reach in, and that way you can reach in, and that also you're not going to have to bend over all the way to work with your flowers or your fruits and vegetables, whatever you got. So I think it's a great thing for a garden, little raised garden bed, different stuff you can put in here, but I think it's a great option. Strength wise, it's good, pretty stable. Again, it's a great thing for that. And it even has a little place right here where you can hang some of your garden tools, so you can make sure you can keep up with those instead of having to place them other places. So really cool, really good option. Looks good, smells good. I think it's gonna last off the ground, so like foraging animals can't get to it. And then you got the little holder over there. So I think overall it's a great option. If you're looking for some type of raised garden bed, this is one I highly recommend. Check out.